Terra Luna Classic is getting closer and closer to that $0.00011 level. Can we wipe off that 10 and put through an 11 over the next few days? Because I'm feeling fairly positive that we can, especially with the bullish trajectory of the rest of the market. Bitcoin has basically exploded to $24,000 recently and pulled up many other blue chip projects with it, such as Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, and so many more. So as a result, we are starting to see Terra Classic also pump on this time frame. We can see that we are up 3% on the daily time frame here. Market cap is back to $705 million, and we are priced down a little bit against Bitcoin, but we're up 0.54% against Ethereum. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you also check out my Twitter giveaway, my YouTube giveaway of $200. If you want to enter that, all you got to do is subscribe to the channel right now, and that will enter you automatically. So let's have a little look at Terra Classic today, because we've been consolidating here for a week, chopping around these ranges, and I am looking forward to seeing the next move up here for Terra Luna Classic. So just doing a bit of tweet research, we can see breaking news: work on testnet is now 99% complete. The mainnet release is next for the tax burning. EK826 said, I'm gonna make the V21 release. There are a few more unit tests that need to be written. Also gonna fully document and release the results of the test. So this sort of news here is what creates massive euphoric impulses on the price structure, and of course this is really good for the whole ecosystem, just to get more Luna taxing and burning in the whole ecosystem. So we can see that's great news, but I don't see 99% in the message, and everyone is so happy that it's finally happening. It could be a long-term thing until we see Luna really recover truly. It might not even ever happen, but at least they are trying. Happy Caddy Crypto as well just purchased 4.4 million Luna Classic. Go on, girl, because I believe in the community. That puts my LUNC holdings up to 6.9 million, holding on for dear life. So another bullish post right here, that we can see other influencers in the crypto space are actually accumulating more of this project, even though the scenario and their sentiment is so extremely bearish. So let's check out what's going on for Luna Classic on the charts. You can see we're still very much heavily respecting the 0.000101 level. Wow, that's such a tongue twister. It's a mouthful. And we can see, we did get this bounce. And what I'm really looking at is this key support that we were holding here at around the $0.103 price level. Anyhow, let's go to the 30-minute chart and see what's going on, because I'm seeing a really nice bit of symmetrical triangle action right here on this 30-minute time frame, and even more so on the 15-minute, because if we do get a breakout to the upside, I would be anticipating that we'd at least hit a technical target here of around about $0.00011, and that's if we do break out to the upside of this symmetrical triangle. We can see the RSI is sitting pretty neutral at the moment. 20-day moving average, we're just basically underneath it, so we just got some rejection. And I must admit though, we are seeing some big wicks here, which does show a lot of selling pressure, but it could just be a simple case of that we might fall out of this symmetrical triangle as Bitcoin takes a slow pullback. We might just fall out and then come back up anyway, because we've seen that a lot with Luna. Look at the volatility, massive green, then we come back down, but then we come back up anyway. So it's very difficult to gauge what might happen. The swing high to swing low took us back to the 1 level. Obviously we've got a massive amount of resistance around this level here, but in short, I'm looking for a retest of this 0.0001 level. We could even move these lines actually just a little bit. We could speculate maybe it's not going to happen so much sooner than we think. Maybe it could happen in a few days' time. And if it happened in a few days' time, well, we'd actually be putting through this giant ascending triangle right here. So it would actually be completely fine if Terra Luna Classic did correct down to, say the 106 level, because we could still see a pump and then another pump, maybe a pump back up to 109, and then a retest back to 109, and so forth. Either way, I think it's very likely we might paint this ascending triangle and print this on the charts. Of course, it's just speculation, but this is what I think is quite likely, just given from all the analysis that I've looked at in the past. I would be looking out right now for a potential breakout here, but we are rolling over on the highs. We're putting through the lower highs, which is typically a bearish thing. So yeah, I think it could effectively happen. Maybe we're going to see that 11 for Terra Luna Classic soon. Of course, most bearish scenarios, we lose the support here, we fold back down to maybe the 105 level, or even worse, we actually come down to the 102 level. But we still have a lot of support levels to obviously rely on, but alternatively we have a lot of resistant levels to get through if we want to start seeing that 11 on the Terra Luna Classic price. Fear and Greed Index today, where we're looking at 31. So Fear and Greed Index, we're slowly coming out of that extreme fear phase, which is good. And hopefully crypto is going to actually put through some bigger numbers soon. I think Bitcoin might hit $30,000 over the next few weeks, maybe by October. But I do anticipate there will be a rejection at the level, falling back down to around the $20,000 level. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So check out the $3,000 giveaway in my description and the comment section, because it's something you do not want to miss out. Free crypto, $3,000 worth, and all you got to do is do a few simple tasks. So check it out, do a bit of research, let me know what you think in the comments. Do subscribe to enter my competition and giveaway as well. See you soon, bye for now.